Hi, what's up guys? Alexander Bosko, and today I'm going to do a unboxing of the Kobalt electronics repair kit. I'll do the unboxing of that today for you guys. So you got some tools here on the side, like the spudgers, got the tweezers and the suction cup, and the guitar picks. And that screwdriver where you put the tips in there. And I don't know what that thing is right there. You got everything right here. And the case itself, that where everything's in. And now let's open this guy up here. And you can buy this at Lowe's. I forgot how much it was. So I'll put the link in the description when I get the chance. Okay, I have to cut this all the way through for me to get this open. And this stuff is hard to open. This plastic is hard to open. You cannot open it with your hands. You have to cut it with scissors to get it open. All right. Whoa, let me see if I got something or not. I think I should be fine. So let's continue to get this opened up. Alright, I got this thing out of the way. Alright. Now we're going to take this plastic thing off. I just have to go in the back of here and pop this off. This is the top cover. I have to get this plastic off. Alright, that plastic's off. And then here's the sticker right here. And then here's all the screw bits. You have the Torxes right over here. I'm not going to explain them all. I'm not going to do that. And this right here goes on like so. And I'll do a review of it in another video. As soon as I do a repair, then I'll let you guys know from there. And it goes right here as so. And right here and here is magnetic, so you just do that. And I'll close this up like so. And zip it up. And you got all of your tools in there. And that's it for my unboxing of the Kobalt Electronics Tool Repair Kit. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe for more unboxing videos like this, and more reviews, and more gaming, and more tech tutorials, and more Adventure Time Plush videos. And please make sure to subscribe if you are new here as well. And turn on the upload post notifications so you guys don't miss a video from me. And now this will be Alexander Bosko now signing off, and peace out, guys.